Tonight, we are going to have a class, English interview, to apply UNIST for my students' master's degree. 1. I majored in mathematics and economics at university for my bachelor's degree. I got general knowledge about flow of financial transactions at UNIST to get practical knowledge about the energy commodity trading and financial engineering skills. Also, I hope to take the practical lectures by former and present global oil traders and consultants. As far as traders in the transaction of energy commodities getting bigger and bigger, I saw some articles about the energy prosumer who produce energy commodities and also sell them to the energy market. With the activation of the energy trading market, we'll soon be able to trade energy resources like stocks and bonds by securitizing the energy resources. I hope to be an expert in this field because it's an explored field and a blue ocean. I'd like to explain my goals for the next 15 years. My goal for the first 2 years after entering this school is to learn basic courses to be an energy trader. And within the next 10 years, I hope to be a skilled trader who can produce value added by producing the various forms of petroleum products that consumers demand. 15 years from now, I hope to be a specialized expert in risk management with the experience of a trader. I study complexity of energy market formed by various in energy market and pricing course. In energy strategy course, I study strategic decision making through the theories and several cases. Also, I'd like to understand the structures of trading and exchanges made by traders, brokers, and investors. I learned practical skills by taking a trading simulation. Immunization motivated me to study risk management. I learned mathematical techniques in finance such as cash flow modeling, financial derivatives, and immunization by studying SOA. Especially, immunization was the most interesting to me because it was my first time that I used differential in finance. SOA is the Society of Actuaries and FM means financial mathematics. Why did you study SOA? I thought SOA was the best course to study financial engineering by myself because SOA consists of probability, financial mathematics, and financial modeling courses. And I also studied basic financial accounting and basic financial management by myself. In mathematics, mathematicians created a new theorem together with the knowledges they already knew. I think this kind of expansion of thought is a mathematical way of thinking. I confirmed that several economic and mathematical theories are used in the process of proving the financial formulas. In this process, I reviewed the vague concepts and understood how they relate to each other and how they work. I've done education voluntary service in my university's club until sophomore. I taught some middle school students math. One of my students didn't get that concept of the negative number, so it was difficult to teach her. I wanted to help her study math well, so I was trying to find how the students should teach efficiently. I was satisfied with my role and so happy with my students' academic achievement. I haven't done it since junior. To prove the black shoes formula, I used to formulate the concept of fair price of option and Brownian motion, and I once understood the Brownian motion using the concept of macro property and martingale property. I'd like to get a job with my major mathematics at my university, so financial engineering is the best answer for me. In creative development for interdisciplinary convergence, I realized that differential equation is used in financial engineering. I have the question always: how can I use math pragmatically? So it's interesting to me that mathematics is used as a tool to achieve financial goals. After this class, I took the stochastic process, insurance mathematics, and probability theory related to financial engineering and set up the career plans specifically. I'm not good at using MATLAB. I substituted numerical values by professor's advice and analyzed the graphs. I learned how to use Excel and SPSS to analyze data as statistics class. I think financial engineering is a field which makes methods to achieve financial goals using mathematics, computer science, and economics theories. 오케이. 바로 이어서 할까? 한 번 더 해볼까?